Hello, in this video I want to show you how to link camera to EZVIZ Camera HUB. And to do this, here I connected it to the app, and next to it we have a camera. And what we want to do is to click on this plus button right here in the app, go to the next step, and then click and hold the sync button on the camera for around 5 seconds. You should hear that the reset is complete. Then we want to click on the sync button right there. So click on that sync button. Let's move to the next step.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Please wait. Wi-Fi connected. Configuration complete. Welcome to EZVIZ.
And here you can see that the camera is visible on the app, and we can click on view device. And here it is connected to your app. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.